NXT is an entirely undergraduate-run research project here at RIT. We are coming up to the end of our first semester, and we're on track to finish this semester ahead of schedule, under budget, and overproducing.
I think over the next semester or two, our big goals include, teaching everybody, getting everybody caught up to where the technology is at this point, and reaching a point where we have a group of individuals who knows this technology very well and understands how to apply it in order to create awesome projects. In a year or two out, I think that one of our big goals is to be sustainable and to be able to create products that people will find useful and that will be able to change people's lives for the better.
Personally, my favorite project would have to be just getting the fabric electrodes working, because I think it would just be so cool to be able to have all that data coming from something that's just sewn into your clothing, and it'd be so cheap to make, and just to make sure it actually is usable and works to an extent that it's actually valuable to do.
Right now I'm working on a NeoPixel bracelet that lights up to show the signal, and this is what's going to be a part of each project, to show that the signals are coming from the or just a visual representation. Seeing that the project's actually working itself is just showing that there's actually signals being read.
So this project is a Morse code translator. So I'm using an Arduino to interpret signals from this device, which is called a myaware, which can sense how clenched your muscles are. And you can see when I clench, a little LED lights up, and when I release, it goes away. So I can use this to send different length pulses to the processor. So I can do a dot, dot, dash, and it'll interpret that as a U. Moving forward in this project, we're going to get it battery powered, and we're going to have it actually display on your arm. And it's moving forward pretty quickly.
My current favorite project is the RC car, because first I think it's really cool to have a little RC car that can drive around based on your movements from your muscles, and the bugs with it are really funny.
Originally, we were actually doing a racing game, which was kind of like Need for Speed, but the project leads wanted something more tangible, and I liked the idea of cars. So I thought, how about an RC car? And the sticker on the side was my idea.
To stay in our goal of making it reproducible and cheap to manufacture, we are starting to make our own chips. We're doing some chip fabrication, building our own machine learning algorithms in-house. So to do that, we need to get time on the machines and access those machines. We need to buy some of that machinery and hardware. So the support from this crowdfunding campaign will go to buying those materials and to making sure that we get the headsets and other necessary hardware. Every dollar that we get in will help contribute to the impact that we want to have and help make these systems more efficient and more interactive.